Welcome! I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making sesame chicken, guys. This recipe is absolutely delicious and it's one of my favorite, and it's only 30 minutes. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we are going to mince our garlic. Now we're going to chop our meat into bite-sized pieces, and I am using chicken thighs and chicken breast for this recipe. So this is the size I am using. This is my chicken breast and this is my chicken thighs. So now we're going to season our meat. Seasoned salt, black pepper, onion powder, and paprika. Now give that a good mix. Now we are going to add our cornstarch. Give that a mix. This is how my chicken is looking after adding in the cornstarch. So now I'm going to set this aside. I am going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Now give that a good whisk. Now pour in your eggs. Give that a good mix. Now we are going to add our flour to it. Give that a mix. This is how my chicken is looking after adding the flour. So this looks great. So now, over medium heat in a large skillet, we're going to add our oil. Now that our oil is nice and hot, I am going to add in my meat. And we're just going to cook them for about 7 to 8 minutes or until they are nice and brown. It took me 10 minutes to get them to the color I like. So go ahead and remove them now, and I'm going to cook my second batch after this. While we wait for our chicken, we're going to make our sesame sauce. We're going to add our garlic into a bowl, sesame oil, rice vinegar, ketchup, soy sauce, brown sugar, chili garlic sauce, and honey. Now give that a good mix until the brown sugar is fully dissolved, just like so. After you are done cooking all your chicken, now go ahead and pour in your sesame sauce. Now make sure that your chicken is well coated with the sauce. And we are going to continue cooking this for 2 minutes. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello, so my sesame chicken is ready. Take a look. Doesn't it look amazing? I'm gonna go serve this with some steamed rice. And guys, my mouth is watery, okay? And of course I have to taste it for you guys. So good, and it is still moist. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.